How to get karma on Reddit. So, karma on Reddit is a system used to measure a user's contributions to the platform. There are two types of karma: post karma and comment karma. Both of these types reflect how well your content resonates with the Reddit community. While karma does not offer direct rewards, it can build your reputation with the platform. To earn karma, you need to participate in niche subreddits. Also, try to be early and engaging. Posts and comments that are upvoted quickly after posting tends to get more exposure. Being among the first to comment on a post or submitting a post when a topic is trending can earn you a significant amount of karma. Make sure to not spam and post quality content. Posts that offer high value, whether they are informative, funny, or unique, tend to get more upvotes. Make sure to also interact with the top post. Commenting on the top post of popular subreddits can lead to a boost in comment karma. So that's all for today. Thank you.